Hey, Chad. Check out my Jeep.
Huh? Oh! I didn't even see it.
Had to pull it up on top. Make it look like it did something at least.
What happens if he comes up here? He's got
to go out that way.
Well, you get your Jeep out of
I
there.
have to back out. I know. I'll have to back out. If he makes it this far, I don't see why he would go out that way. He didn't the last time.
No, if he makes it up here.
That's not a Jeff exit. That's like for the Priuses when they run this.
Like, oh shit, I had enough going up. I'm done.
Still. Get around that tire. Get around there, it is. Nice.
Should go driver, I would think.
They're going to try and get a little bit more hook into it up that bank. There it is.